Bear the brunt of, suffer the worst of something, bear the maximum worry, bear the palm, to win, bear up with, endure, to be strong enough to continue at a difficult time, bear with, have patience with, beat about, around the bus, avoiding the main topic, speak in a roundabout manner, speaking vaguely to avoid talking about it, beat one's brain out, to put forth one's maximum effort, beauty is only skin deep, physical appearance is no guide to a person's character, bed of roses, a pleasant situation, an enjoyable state, beggar description cannot be described. Behind closed doors, do something secretly. Behind one's back, in one's absence. Behind the eight ball, in a difficult or disadvantaged position. Behind the scenes, unknown to everyone, secretly. Bell the cat. Do the impossible task to face risk. Do the most dangerous job. Belly low. A loud and unrestrained love. Below the belt, cruel and unfair. Bend over backwards. Make every effort to achieve something, especially to be fair or helpful. Try to accommodate and please someone. Beside oneself, almost out of one's senses. Beside the mark, irrelevant. Best of both worlds. A situation wherein someone has the privilege of enjoying two different opportunities, all the advantage and ideal situation. Best thing since sliced bread. Most useful innovation in a long time. A really good invention. Better late than never. Better to arrive late than not to come at all. Better the devil you know than the devil you don't. It is easier to be in a non-bad situation than being in an unknown worse situation. Between a rock and a hard place, stuck between two very bad options, between Zayla and Jerry Beads, choice between two unpleasant alternatives, between the devil having only two very, devil and the deep blue sea having only two very unpleasant, difficult choices, beyond the pale, unreasonable or unacceptable, beyond the sets of a doubt with certainty for sure. Bid defiance, to disregard recklessly, to ignore, to offer resistance. Bid fair, to seem likely. Bid bucks, a lot of money. Birds of the same feather, persons of same character or interest, similar in many ways. Bit of more than one can chew. Take on more responsibility than one can handle. Bit someone's head off. Speak angrily without any reason. Respond to someone with anger that is often sudden or unprovoked. Bite the bullet, to force yourself to do something unpleasant to get something over with because it is inevitable. Bite the dust, suffer a defeat, to die. Bite your tongue, stop yourself from saying something, avoid talking. Black and blue, describe something that is badly buried, to beat mercilessly. Black out, lost consciousness. Black ox, misfortune. Black sheep, one who is not accepted as part of a family or group because of one's bad conduct, person with bad reputation. Blaze a trail, to lead the way as a pioneer, to initiate something new, to start a movement. Blind alley, a situation in which no further progress can be made. Blow a fuse, to react very angrily. Blow his stop, be very angry. Blow one's own trumpet, praise oneself, talk boastfully about oneself, to boast about their achievements. Blow our pass off. Blow something out of proportion, behave as if something that has happened is much worse than it really is. Blow up to destroy by an explosion. Blue blooded of noble birth, box your uncle, it becomes easily and quickly achievable. Body and soul with all your energy. Boil the ocean, undertaking an impossible chore or task. Boils down, sums up to. Born to pick, pose of quarrel, to be angry about something and want to discuss it. Born with a silver spoon in mouth. Be born in a rich family. Bosom friend, close friend. Bottom line, the most important fact. Born something, discuss ideas with someone to get their views. Beach of confidence, beach of faith. Bread and butter, bread and cheese. Means of livelihood, a person's livelihood or main source of income. Break a leg, to wish good luck, perform well. Break in, force entry, enter a building illegally. Break new, press ground. Do or discover something new, to innovate or pioneer. Break the bank, to be very expensive, win more money than is held by the bank. Break the ice, initiate something, to start a conversation, to make someone comfortable, to break a painful silence. Breath of fresh air, someone or something new and refreshing. Breathing down someone's neck, watching all his actions closely. Breathing the air, useless task. Bring about cause to happen. Bring home the bacon, to be successful, to earn money, to live. Bring someone to book, to punish someone for wrongdoing.